So after doing multiple videos on Zippay here on my YouTube channel, I've had multiple people DM me on Instagram asking their most pressing questions about Zippay that may have not been answered in the videos I did. So in today's video, I just decided to go ahead and just do a quick Q&A answering some of those pressing questions. And who knows, you might have those same questions as well. So be sure to continue watching the entire video for more. Let's go. Question number 1. Does Zippay do a hard credit check when you apply? Well, the answer to that is no. Zippay does not do a hard pull on your credit when you do apply. We all know that hard pulls can be damaging to your credit in the short term, but eventually it does actually become better in the long term. So no, they do not perform hard credit checks when you do apply. However, they do run soft credit pulls, and obviously soft credit pulls don't affect your credit at all. It's just like if you were to go and get a pre-approval somewhere, that obviously would be ran through a soft credit pull, which doesn't affect your credit. So no, Zippay doesn't use hard credit pulls. Okay, so the next question I got is, what exactly is Zip and how does Zip work? All right, so to answer the first part, what exactly is Zip? So Zip is a global payments company that was established in Sydney, Australia, founded in 2013. They're like the pioneer of the buy now, pay later category. So as of this video, they service 5 continents, about 80,000 merchants, and about 9.5 million customers. Okay, so how does Zip actually work? So the Zip platform allows you to split an order into 4 equal installment payments. The first 25% would be due at checkout, and then every 2 weeks after that, they charge you the next 25% payment over the course of 6 weeks until all 4 payments are completely paid off. So it allows you to actually stay on track financially and still be able to get what you're looking to get if you can't afford to get that product in full right there and then. But again, you must use the buy now, pay later set up responsibly, so that way you don't get caught up in being late or anything like that. Okay, so the next question I get is, hey Jeff, where can I actually use Zip to shop? Like where can I shop with Zip? So that's a pretty easy question. You literally can book a trip if you want. You can buy groceries with Zip card. You can literally shop online or even in store with the Zippay app. Pretty much use it anywhere that Visa is accepted. So another question is, what payment methods does Zip accept? So Zip accepts debit cards attached to bank accounts, and they accept credit cards, but they must not be prepaid. They don't accept prepaid cards. So you can use a Visa, MasterCard, Discover, even American Express. You can also use Apple Pay as well. However, you can't use it to make the initial purchase on your order. It's only used to make active installments. So you can use it to make active payments on your installments. However, you can't use it to make the initial purchase, and it's not an option to use if you're bundling payments together. What fees are associated with Zippay? Are there any fees, Jeff? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are usually 2 types of fees, which is 1, the finance fees, and 2, the late fees. Yeah, now purchases made with Zip checkout will be subject to a finance charge per installment. Now the full amount with the finance charge will also be laid out for you in the truth in lending disclosure while you're actually setting up the payment plan inside of your Zip app. Now, if your order is actually late, you can actually incur a late fee up to $7, and usually that late fee is attached the day after the initial payment was actually due. So late fees and assessment dates do vary state by state, residence by the state that you live in as well. So keep this in mind. If you do incur a late fee, don't be afraid to reach out to Zippay and actually ask them to possibly refund or reverse the late fee for you, because they can actually look into doing so depending on their actual Zippay payment waiver procedures that they have. So if you ever get into that pickle, it doesn't hurt to just reach out to them, tell your story to see if they can possibly refund or reverse that charge for you. May not happen every time, but hey, might as well give it a shot, right? Hey, I hope you enjoyed that Q&A. If you did, do me a favor, hit that like button. Just smash the crap out that like button. Helps the channel out a lot. I really do appreciate it, guys. If you want to know more about Zippay, you should see the playlist somewhere on this screen now.